G'day folks, Corey Hind. I hope you're doing really well. So just this week we emailed all of our clients. We do mostly SEO for people, so we want to see people do well on Google. And we email them about keeping their social media fresh because we were noticing that lots of our clients, whilst they're fantastic at doing all sorts of parts of their business, they weren't doing much with their social media. We audited their Facebook pages, which just gave us an indication about whether they're active on social media, what they were doing, and perhaps what they could do better. So the shout out went to people to say, hey, here are some ways to enhance your frequency on Facebook in particular. Now, the reason that we then said this was important to people was because we've noticed that in some instances now with Google search, the Facebook page for some businesses is outranking other businesses' websites. Now, that's quite a big thing. That didn't happen in the past. So now when you Google something, you're likely to see YouTube videos, you'll see featured snippets, you will see Reddit threads, you'll see Facebook pages. So it is important to stay on top of these things because Google likes it at the moment. So it's really important. It's also part of your branding. It's also part of that, people need to see you multiple times, but also people might share those posts and get you clients from there. But from an SEO perspective, it's also important to keep going with your places online because the more hints that you send to Google about what you do, the better you'll go. So the idea for my clients was, here are some ideas that you can use quickly. So we know that you're busy. We know there's a lot going on in your business and your life. So use these ideas to quickly get a Facebook page update done. So here are some we'll run through. There are words here, so feel free to read those. Reposting something. So you probably know by now that when you post something somewhere online, only a percentage of your followers or likers will see that. So one thing you can do if you haven't posted anything on, for example, Facebook for a month is go back to last year's posts or posts from 3 months ago and beyond. Look at what got traction and repost it, maybe alter it, because a lot of people won't have seen that. Now, this shouldn't be your only tactic on social media to get frequent, but it certainly is worth doing. And we've got a note here, pick something with an image because images are really important, and no links. Don't have URLs in the post because most algorithms won't like that. Next one is before and afters. I'll just move me out of the way. Before and afters are fantastic because at the end of the day, what is a business all about? It's about solving a problem and helping to take people from here to here. So for example, a lawn. You've got a woolly lawn that needs attention. It's been sorted out and mowed. Here's the after shot. Before and afters of things like that are really useful because it proves to people what you do, and it can be so fast to do as well. Take a photo before, take a photo after, get the consent of the person, and that's your post. People then see that, they can share that, and that becomes a lead generator of its own. But it's a very fast way to get something up on your Facebook page or wherever else you use online. Others would be things like haircuts, if the person consents to it. I've seen electrical businesses do it, so they might have a switchboard that's an absolute mess. They take a photo before, they improve, upgrade, whatever, photo after, and people go, yeah, I've got that crappy old switchboard. I want that new switchboard. So that can be a way people can tag their friends, they can share that, etc. And that goes the same thing for plumbing work. There's lots of jokes I could tell here, but I won't. So plumbing work before and after, even mechanical. You might have a shot under the hood of a car. There's an issue, something's blown, whatever. Nice new one. So befores and afters, I love befores and afters because they're fast, they tell a story, and a picture tells 1,000 words. So why not use that option? The next one what we suggest people do is just common questions. So there are loads of questions you get in your business. Talk to your staff, look through your previous messages, go to Google, see what Google's suggesting when you type in a question, and it'll give you people also ask what other questions that come up in your business. How can you answer them? Now, you might write those, you might use those as a Google Business Profile post, or you might pop it on LinkedIn or Facebook, whatever. You might shoot a short video answering that question. So there's lots of ways you can do it, but remember that Google is a place people go to find an answer for something, right? That's what they get there for. They want to find a business, they want to find an answer to something. So give Google what it wants, which is questions and answers, and that will help you. And they can be so fast because you'll know this stuff off the top of your head. You'll know the answer to things that people are asking. You can pop it through really fast. The next one is client reviews. So we do this for clients. We see their Google Business Profile activity. We look at some good reviews, and we'll use that review as a separate Google Business Profile post. You can do that on Facebook as well, LinkedIn, etc. Again, it's about social proof. We are pack animals, whether we like it or not. We follow the herd a lot of the time, rightly or wrongly. We look for evidence of success. We look for proof that people can do what they say they can do. And we also want to follow recommendations from friends. So a review is a really useful thing. So use that as well, because it's just a simple thing you can do, and it's fast. You can just word that up, create an image, use Canva, done super fast, literally under 1 minute to do that. And the last one, sorry, I think I've got two more ideas. Short videos. Anything goes with short videos. As you've probably seen on TikTok and Reels and Shorts, every social media is prioritizing short videos now, even YouTube is as well. So short videos, they're entertaining, people like them, all of the algorithms prefer them. So think about that. What can we do? It could be anything related to your business. Just create a short video of that, and you'll be surprised what they can do for promoting your business. And in some instances, they do turn up on Google search as well. YouTube is obviously a Google product. So anything that's a video product is going to help your business. And you can just walk around the business with your phone, your iPhone, whatever, create short videos, test this stuff out, see what takes and see what doesn't take. And the last one is just shout outs. Okay, so people love a shout out. You know, you've done something good, or you've got a business that you've been using that's really great, or a staff member, or even a customer. Simply shouting people out shows that you've got goodwill, good intent, you're a good person, but also, from the algorithm side of things, that will get seen, and people will go, oh, look, here I am, and they'll share it, and then it'll start to go. But again, really fast way to get something out there. You might have customer of the month, customer of the week, staff member of the month, staff member of the week, our favorite new product, all that sort of stuff. Just shout people out, see how it goes. It is social media, so we want to be social. But going right back to the start of the video, all of these tactics are social media to support our efforts online, which Google does notice, and it does help your business to become preeminent on Google as well. So this is definitely part of the picture. Anyway, that's the video. Hopefully there's some ideas you can use. In our Facebook group, loads of people are already using these ideas. I've got clients who've come back to me to say, wow, we're going to do some of these this week and see how it goes. So have a go. I'd love to hear how you go. And if you've got any questions about it, just reach out and we'll help where we can. Cheers. Bye for now.